Women's Month Art Gallery. Yep, that's pretty much Women's Month right there. It's Women's Palette. The Artful Awakening. Hey, Mallrat, I'm here at Greenhills Mall, and apparently there's also a Women's Month Art Gallery. Since it's the last few days of March 2025, let's check it out, shall we? Okay, let's go. At least for this one, they have a list of participating artists. You know, kind of look old, so that's kind of cool. Some young people. I guess. So this gallery is called Women's Palette, The Artful Awakening. Cute little bite-sized paintings here on the walls. That's adorable. Okay. Here's more bite-sized paintings on the front wall. Okay, so it looks like it's mostly bite-sized paintings, which is fresh, I guess. Pretty cool, accessible. Let's walk. These are more textured. A lot of non-Philippine scenery, but it works. It works, yes. Got a wall. This one's more okay. I like these ones. Look at this. There's more scenery type things with a figure just stuck in. But it's all about the scenery, of course. And these are all by Amy Suarez. I guess self-portraits, maybe? Yeah. What's this? Oh, so it's one whole wall per artist. That's interesting. This is by Rita Bustamante. I like the old style magazine cover / comic pinup style. That's acrylic on acid-free cotton. I guess the wall's not cotton, it's wood, right? Yeah. Okay. This oversized. This one is by Amanda Echeverry. More items. She likes the plant life. This one is by Leda. Ooh, it's got acrylic on. Oh, acrylic. That's acrylic. That's pretty cool. That's good as blending. Bit harder to do on acrylic than on oils. I like the cute smallness. You know, the bite-sized paintings, which is nice. This one is by Daday Joaquin. Daday. Cool. Very stylish. Ooh, this one just reminds me of grade school. I did go to a, you know, like most kids in the Philippines, go to a Catholic school, so yeah. More traditional oil on canvas flowers. I like the simplistic style and the, you know, bite-sized. Kind of fresh too. This wall is by Jing Rabat. Flowers and fruits. Acrylic on canvas. Very stylistic. Complex combination of strokes and spatters. All of them are acrylic on canvas. Pretty cool. Other side is by April San Pedro. These are mixed media on paper. Okay, usually that means you see the pen outlines, I think, and then what looks like either watercolor and or acrylic. On left is by Patricia Porras de Jesus. Very technical. Watercolor on archival paper. Watercolor. That's always respectful right there. Look at the way she does the light shining off the fruits. That is crazy. I say fruits. Yeah, I was talking about the tomatoes. Okay. Okay. People are touching the photos. I mean the images. Don't touch the images. That's like raw paint, guys. This is by Patricia Porras. Oh, same person over there. People were touching the paintings. Don't do that, guys. Oil doesn't even. I mean, yeah. Nice. It's nice. Is that a self-portrait or? Oh, that's good. Ah, she does commissions. Art by Trish. Okay, that means she's a little bit young. And then I think two last big ass murals, or you can take photo. Oh wait, I know this. I've seen this. I'll tell you guys about this later. Let's finish the whole thing first. It's by Annie Tan C. That is cute. Normally I'd say it's a kid's painting, but that's a rocking horse. That's cool. There. A winter Christmas. Don't really have winter over here, but sure. Well, that's by Freya Luna. 3 pieces. That's watercolor, pen and ink on paper. This one's just watercolor on paper. Come on, that's edged in gold stuff. So yeah, I guess mixed media. That's cool. Flowers and a cute little kid over there. Okay, one last, and then it's just a display over there. This one is by Christy Villa, and this is technical as fuck. Look at the skill. It's acrylic on canvas. Blue lady. Very Western looking lady. Very pretty. Clearly her brother. Sleeping girl. And then two last ones. Okay. Alright guys, that's it. That's a gallery. That's a gallery. There's a bunch of stuff over here which we'll see in a short while. So the rest are your standard Ortigas Mall stuff. We saw this at the I'm not sure, just check the video on the Women's Month Art Gallery over at Estancia, Ortigas Malls. And Greenhills is also, Greenhills Mall, of course, is the Ortigas Mall. So I recognize these because I just literally saw these yesterday. And just photo walls where you can take pictures. And then, some people are actually, so celebrate and spread power. Yep, that's pretty much Women's Month right there, for modern feminism. Butterfly, look at that, it's butterfly. Then people are still painting stuff over here, which it is March 26. And apparently the display is gonna run only until March 30, which we'll see in a while. There you go. some ladies over here who are still finishing a big mural. And then here's the thing. Yeah, here's the actual thing. It's a women's ballad. The Artful Awakening. A Women's Month celebration partnership with the Floral Artists of Davao Association Incorporated. Running from March 8 to 30. Good thing we caught it. There's a diamond painting and clay art still going on. About to go on. There you go, guys. There you go. And then that's it. I think that's it. That is it. Oh, so one last wall here with, I guess, the artists. Her story in strokes. This one's fucking hot. And then a last wall with, I guess, messages. Oh, they're just quotes. They're just quotes by women. I thought they were personalized messages, but, well, some of them are. But some of them are quotes by Hollywood people. So, yeah, sure. Okay. Oops. Almost crashed into a mirror. And then there you go. Alright guys, so that was the Women's Month Art Gallery over here at Greenhills Mall in San Juan, March 25. Well, it was running from March 8 to March 30, 2025. Yeah, so there you go. Art galleries, honestly, the best kind of display you can have for Women's Month. It's just so appropriate. Anyway, if you guys liked what you guys saw, you know, like, share, comment below. Comment if you comment on any of the photos, the pictures, the images, the paintings that you guys saw, okay, or anything that amused you. Anyway, see you guys in other videos. Mallrat out. Mallrat out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat